magnolias. I have some different kinds. Oops.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they
Do you know that when the shit hits the fan is my favorite English expression? I think it paints a vivid and good picture of a lot of situations, and oh my god, did the biggest shit ever hit the biggest fan. I think that's the only way to describe the situation that we're in right now. I'm sorry if I say shit a lot. I'm Norwegian. Hi, my name is Nina. Welcome to my channel. And in Norway, shit is a natural thing and it's an okay thing to say and talk about. So I hope I haven't offended you. But back to what I was saying. Oh my god, what a situation we're in. And I hope you all are being safe, follow the rules, social isolate, wash your hands, cough in your elbow, and do all the things you're told. That's all we can do. And then try not to worry. Easily said, not so easily done. But what I do is that I act like an ostrich. I stick my head in the sand and try to think of anything else, and the way I do that is that I decorate, I eat a lot of sugar, I bake, I gain weight, I paint. As some of you may have recognized, I'm in my craft room, I'm painting. As you can see, I have shiplap all over and it's a lot of work, so that's part of what I'm doing these days, and of course I will take you along and show you. But today's video is about my Easter decor. I'm done. I filmed me decorating the mantle a week ago and things were not that serious, so I may sound a bit goofy and light-hearted. A week ago seems like a lifetime ago. Things were serious in Norway at that point, but not as serious as it is right now. So yeah, but so I just thought I would come on and kind of explain that. I have taken a shower, I have put on makeup, I have even on a bra. That is not normal for me these days. I usually take on my lovely, beautiful painting outfit and I paint. So that's mostly what I use my days for. So, but today I'm going to show you how I decorated my mantle for Easter, and I've done it in the same theme as my tablescape in my dining room. And if you haven't seen that video, please go and check it out. I think, if I can say so myself, I think it's some of my best work. I love the magnolia and eucalyptus tree that I made as my big centerpiece. I just hope I get to invite my family and we get to eat Easter dinner under the tree. If not, I'm going to let it stay for summer, so we will get another chance. But yeah, fingers crossed things get a bit better. But now to my video. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Nina, and if you are new, I'm so happy you decided to tune in. And to all my loyal and lovely subscribers and viewers, hi guys. Today's video will hopefully be a sweet and short one, free of any sad or unhappy moments. just some pink, lovely Easter decor. As you see, I am in front of my mantle, and that is what I thought I would do today. I will decorate my mantle for Easter. I hope you have seen my first Easter decor video of this year, my tablescape. It kind of sets the vibe or the theme for the whole house. I don't like yellow in my decor, so in this house Easter is, for the most, it's pink. So what I thought I would do today is continue with the pink eucalyptus that I used in my tablescape, and some magnolias. I have some different kinds. And I'm going to try to make a garland of this. As I said, I'm going to do it very simple and quick. I don't know if you can see, but behind me, I'll zoom the camera in so you can see. I have my hanging vases already hung with some magnolias, and that's all I'm going to do in that corner. And just a little bit of decor on the mantle. Okay guys, so I'll try to do this. I have kind of cheated a little. As many of you know, I'm not a fan of cutting my faux flowers if I don't have to. Oh my goodness, the light is... Let me try to adjust. Like that. It's easier for you to see. I don't like to cut my faux flowers if I don't have to, because if I want to use them for something else another time, I can. So what I thought I would do, I have to cut 2 of them, but what I've done is I've taken these, is this called command strips? No, strips? Yeah, I don't know. I'm going to kind of tape them together with these, we call them strips. And I haven't tried, so I don't know if it's going to work, but I'll try like that. And then I probably have to cut this. But I'll put them all together and I'll see where I have to cut. So I just... This is not rocket science. On CNN yesterday, I actually saw a guy talking about all that's going on, and he actually was a rocket scientist. Okay, like that, and one higher up. I know I'm making a lot of strange faces when I'm doing things like this. Like that. Okay. And then I'll try to connect the 2 together. Here. Like that. And then I'll cut off these two. Like that, and the same on the other side. Oops. Okay. I'm not going to say the word. Yeah, okay guys. That was not supposed to happen. And then I'll try to put it on the oh my goodness. Try to put it here. That is going to irritate me. Okay. I have 2 large command hooks here. Oh no, it's too long. Maybe not. Okay guys, so this is what I've done so far. I made a very simple kind of garland and just secured it at each end with these white big command hooks. And I've also put a magnolia here, like that. And then I'll just put on a few more bits and pieces. I have these 2 white rabbits or bunnies I thought I would use. I'll just put one up there and one the opposite way, I think, down here, like that. And then I'll put some more of these magnolias just loose. And I'm sorry about about the disgusting sounds in the background. It's my husband brushing his teeth. He's going to be corona tested, so we're off to do that. Okay, one there, like that. I could leave it like this. Maybe I should. I was wondering if yeah, I'll put some eggs as well, some pink eggs, like that. And oops, one more here, just tuck that under there. Oops. Like that. And I'll think maybe I should have some more eggs. I'll just try. One moment, guys. Okay guys, I decided to keep it simple. Just added one more egg. And I'll just keep it like that. Very simple.
When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you when you say that beauty lives in me too.
hope you enjoyed the video. As I said in my video, my husband was tested for the virus. He's a health worker and we've been sick for 3 or 4 weeks. That's why he was tested and the test was negative. Not sure if I think that's good or bad. It would have been great to kind of be done with it, but yeah. I hope you're keeping safe. My heart go out especially to those of you watching from Italy, Spain and the US, England, Sweden. I know that that's countries that's hit hard with this. In Norway we are doing pretty well so far, fingers crossed. Our government set in lockdowns and yeah, we were kind of early on the ball, so it's not as bad here now as it was in the beginning. Yeah, so just crossing my finger and saying prayers for everyone. It's not going to be okay for everybody. I know that many of you are at risk. Please, please be as safe as you can and know that I'm thinking of you and keeping you in my prayers. And this too shall pass. Yeah, but it can take some time. Until then, I'm going to continue being in ostrich and just doing things that I enjoy and that keep my thoughts on other things. My husband is going back to work in 2 days and he's not allowed to protect himself, so he's going to be working with people up close without any protective gear. So yeah, we're a bit anxious, but hoping it will be okay. Okay guys, I'll see you. I think my next video will be my Easter house tour, and I'll try to do that pretty quickly because Easter is coming up soon. Until then, have a wonderful weekend and week, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!